I can touch, right? Like a pet? Oh, okay. Too late. Too late. Look at the butt.
They are so cute, right?
Yeah, look at the butt.
Mm.
They must be trained. That's why they're not on a leash, so they don't go on the road.
Like a baboon.
Baboon with a butt.
Can take over Malabis people.
You can rent a yacht here. Ingo's Grill. Ingo.
One, you can rent a yacht.
Look how many buses and all these they come over here. You know, they bring people, I guess, for, you know, Star City. Would you look, they're playing over here. That's what I wanted to do, but you don't make no friends. You're a boy. You know how much I used to run around golf, boy. Yeah.
Me, you know how much I want to do, but I have no time.
You know, even now. What do you want alcohol?
Yes.
Okay.
So, where are we going?
Otherwise, they hardly have any parks in this country, or even Manila, you know?
Next time,
Over here at
Richard,
least.
we can bring the badminton. We can play over there.
He should bike, this guy. His legs should be strong.
He wants
Well,
badminton.
even badminton is okay, yeah.
Yeah, me and him.
But the bike,
I'll buy a bigger bike.
Oh!
Uy.
What happened? What happened? Because this guy jumps like
That's what happens if you don't go out. maybe just the steak. What?
What happened?
Just the steak.
It's beef steak. It's okay. That's what happens when you don't come out. You don't know about nature. You know, you jump like a little girl. Come on,
Okay,
baby.
so let's explore more.
Yeah, keep it together.
Yeah.
Let's go. They're playing badminton. They're playing what? Basketball.
It's very nice place, you know.
Football.
It's remind me of Enadbod.
Abroad?
This place look like it's not the Philippines, right? The
That's
ways
okay.
look like.
So that's good, you know, because, you know, kids need activity.
What?
But you know, if you go on the other side, that's where we used to go before. You know,
Yeah.
they do roller skating, biking, because they closed the place for traffic.
Yeah.
Remember what is the next week? The who? The skating sound? Where? Oh, you're the one who was making it. Oh, yeah.
No.
Stop it.
Actually, I came with it.
Stop it. They come about-
Hmm.
they come about for them.
Tanghalang Balagtas, that one is over there. It's a lot of history also here.
So dance, this is if you want to learn the dance. You want to learn the dance, stick dance, bamboo dance?
What?
Ballet.
Ballet? A belly?
Belly.
Ah. So
It's
that,
like it's down, it's closed. It's down, look.
yeah.
So, you know, not too far from here, they have that spa or massage thing.
Winsha?
What is it called? Winsha, no?
Yeah. There's a plant.
They have the Winsha is the only problem. I don't like this.
But I think you can, you can skip that.
They have Winsha spa. You get massage and what do you call it? Buffet, Filipino style buffet.
Yeah. We can try that.
We need to find out first. You know, we need to talk to them. Okay, what's the story? How far is it? We can ask them now.
Yeah.
What is the story? Because I'm not going to take no my color. Show my color.
No, I think you can skip that one.
Yeah, of course, they don't care. Isn't it?
I mean, do you really need to
No, it's only if you want to go to that area, which is, what is it called again?
the jacuzzi?
No, it's not jacuzzi. You know,
Sauna?
Sauna. So if you want to be in the sauna, then you have to be, you know, like, I would say, let's say, no clothes. I don't know. Let's say.
Yeah.
Right? Sauna. But if you don't want, then you say, yeah, of course, don't go sauna. You can use the other facilities. I know. Well, it is more beautiful when you walk on that side. They have a 5-star hotel. Actually, you know the sand that they're putting is behind there. It's going to be like that.
Yeah.
So you're telling me that like this?
That's what I'm saying. You don't know where you live.
Tanghalang
You never left
Balagtas,
the-
this
you know,
one.
Tanghalang Balagtas is right here. didn't
folk
know that.
arts.
How did you put that down?
See, you didn't know that.
Talag.
It's not that hard. Tangalang.
That's malakas.
I don't know if this one is still open or what.
No, unfortunately, looks like they all closed down. Just buildings now.
Oh yeah, I mean I don't know. Look at this one. Yeah, it is closed.
Wait,
It's look
kaya ko yung ano,
it's look haunted place.
Haunted.
Yeah.
hotcake.
It's closed now, see?
Hotcake. Maybe trash can. Bin.
Trash can, why?
Because I'm gonna blow my nose.
So just blow it, you'll find trash can. This is all trash can here. Come,
Look
blow it out.
look at this, how they build this. Look, that's the soil. So this place is very quiet place. It's a haunted
Do
place.
you want alcohol?
Oh look! Oh my God! I would
Wait,
afraid to go
I don't-
inside.
I don't like the structure. The way they have made it, it looks like a cave.
Yeah,
Cave with no opening. You cannot come out.
yeah, I can see inside.
Look.
It has a hole there. Come on, Belgian.
Di ba ito yung ano?
I'm not sure if this is the one.
Bakit ito yun? Kasi mukha talagang ganyan.
No, that's I think that's different. That's over there.
Ay,
Look how broke is that. Look at that.
They used to hang people.
You make your own story. Okay, we are keep
People over here,
cooking.
and then open the bottom door. Bang. In a few minutes they're gone.
that will be the place.
This is the place.
Where the...
Yeah. Come here for like.
What is this flower?
This is the one we're gonna go inside.
Look how nice and clean looks with this area.
Yeah, it is very
I remember
clean.
this place was beautiful.
Yeah.
What did you say? Something Chinese something.
You both have been here.
This is the hotel. The
hotel?
yeah. It's the hotel, expensive hotel.
But you both have been here.
No, that hotel is next.
No,
I'm talking
since-
about this. No, this is something else. The hotel you're talking about is the one after that. This could be a hotel, but I don't know.
You
You
can-
can answer.
Yeah.
Excuse me. What is this place?
Ini.
Coconut Palace. What does that mean? I mean, the palace. People live. Somebody.
Ano siya? Hotel yan siya?
No, no. I
It's
don't
a
think
Coconut
it's a hotel.
Palace.
The hotel is the next one.
I think also like
Okay.
government, yung nagkano dyan. Like
I know last
president,
time-
mayor, something.
No, last time they told us it's something.
Manila Bay. Ah, okay.
Huh?
Ah, okay.
What's it called?
Over here, the view, Manila Bay.
Oh, the view. Yeah, yeah. Oh, wait, on this side,
Ah,
yeah.
okay. Barbecue. Dito banda, open yun doon banda. Ah, dito lang banda. Oh. Nakikita ba doon yung may mga buhangin na? Yung may tinambakan yung dagat? Ah. Ah, okay. We can see here the one that is has the sun.
The tangent. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you po.
Thanks. Yeah. Come, let's check it out. You need to come a little bit more early there, you know?
Yeah, that's why I want to come 3 p.m.
You both love this.
Yes.
So that's the palace there. You know, mostly go there, Jano, like president, mayor.
We in the Mada. It's nice. We've been here inside. It's called Bamboo Palace.
What about me?
Because you know, you don't
No, that was over there, Jano.
Huh?
That was over there.
Yeah, we went here there, yes. I remember
Inside?
it's beautiful. And they said something about Chinese something. I can't remember what it was, but I remember the landscaping and everything. I said, oh, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's okay. But what is this? We've never been here though.
That's we went there, nga.
Are we there? What is
That's
over
the one we went, not the other one. There's a bamboo there side there.
there? No, she's talking about this here.
Okay. Maybe I can remember.
No hostel, you know. They hire people there and then
Oh my God, I can see already.
yeah.
The one that they put the sun.
Yeah, this is going like
Look,
this behind that
look
hotel.
that stone, big
No,
stone.
you know that hotel. I can't remember. What's the name of the hotel again? You know?
I know it's a palace, but
No, it's not.
this one?
That's the hotel. The five-star hotel is that one.
Ah,
This is where Hilda comes for
I
coffee.
forgot.
You'll
I
remember.
forgot the name of
That's
that.
where they're making. That's what I'm trying to say. Those islands which they are making, those man-made islands,
Yeah.
is behind that hotel,
Sofitel? No.
Sofitel.
Ah, Sofitel.
You're the best, baby.
I'm trying my best, Jano.
Sofitel.
Did I?
Telling you the
Did
best.
I merit it?
You're the best.
Crazy.
You're the best. Hello.
Oh, okay. So this is I want here because there's also barbecue.
Remember the ship was over here for the cruise, but they
Yeah,
closed it
cool.
over?
I think no,
Oh, it's
they open. Yeah, they open over there. If you want to rent a cruise, guys, yeah,
They
it's
do
over here. Like,
dinner cruises and stuff.
yeah, if
Saan
you
yung
want.
Charles?
Hmm?
Kala ko sinabi mo yung
Ito, look
Huh?
that one.
Ayun,
Ayun,
lapid.
no? You know,
What was it?
the sun, the one that.
Huh?
The sand.
Oh, this, they gotta do that something over here. Look, because they put this stone.
No. This is just to hold so that the deep, like if there's a typhoon or something, the water doesn't come here. So the boats don't go away.
No, I don't think so because
It's to hold them.
they start putting there also in the middle.
No, that's different.
That.
This is the rock formation. This is like a bay area.
Mm.
Come.
Yes, nice. So that's the nice one.
They will do hair over here if you want. You want hair done? Just bring your own beads.
Look how nice it is, Jano.
The what?
That nice view, right? All the buildings there.
Skyline. That's the skyline.
Which one?
All this, behind this, when you have this building, it's called skyline. Come.
Yung ano natin, the building.
Come, let's take a walk.
Look, they got two over there. They got two people doing the video.
The sunset pub.
You can eat your barbecue here.
Yeah.
You can come here one day. You can do your barbecue cheap food.
Yeah, look at
But
that.
this can come with us.
Yeah.
What's the left side?
The
You can come here one day. You can have this with us.
Yeah, they all have barbecue here. A lot of kind. Okay. Magkano dito, kuya? 65. Dito sa ano, sa hotdog.
Was it? You can buy this actually if dinner if you want.
Yeah.
Go home if you want.
Yeah, so you can sit here
Or
also.
if you're hungry, you can sit here.
Ha, kitten.
See the sand mountain? That's it.
Yeah, that's
They
the
have
one
it
I'm
closed
talking
for
about.
now, yeah. But they can open it when, I guess, when it's done. Who knows? Good, yeah. You just sit here, buy food and just, chill.
That's the man-made resorts. They are ongoing. We need to go to the other side. I mean, if you go to
behind that
Mall of Asia, it's right there.
Oh yeah, you can see from there.
Yeah. This is the whole Manila Bay, guys.
They have this camera.
Ano yun eh. So, kaya tayo
Look,
pupunta
have
sa
you walked
Luzon.
past?
Yeah.
It's a big bird. He thinks that's a bird.
What is it? GI? No trespassing. It's closed. They close here.
He's like, oh no.
Hmm.
It's a shame. This could be a very nice place.
That's the one we see before, I think. We went.
I don't think we came, but you know, it seemed to be like it was a nice place. It was a very good spot for a nice restaurant or something, you know.
Yeah.
But you need international money. That's the thing. You need people with money.
Mm-hmm.
Companies to come here to invest.
So you have to pay your taxes.
They all depend. There's no somebody we can ask that
What
time.
do you want to come?
We need to ask the price of the.
How this is? The shade you have small.
That's the one I think if you want to rent.
Oh, to rent, they have different prices. They have different kinds of boats.
Yeah, if you want to rent the yacht or how what you call it is small coaches, coast.
Cruise ship? No, this is not a ship.
I know,
These are
right?
boats.
Yeah. The last time we asked, it was 7,500 for head.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, really?
And that was pandemic, guys. Right now it's probably going high. There's no somebody we can ask the price. It's probably. I think you can go inside though, but yeah. They probably have online.
We want to
It's
go inside.
it's open, cause you know it's open. Okay, so let's take a walk.
Yeah, people, look, there's a guy there if you want to ask him.
Mm.
We can go inside.
Oh, this is like the house.
Yeah. This is like the
Floating
house.
house.
Look how much water they have to drink. Come and drinking water.
Too much, right?
So they're the ones who are probably taking care of this, you know. The owner is not in this country. So they probably. Look, how is the water over there also? How much drinking water they have?
I know. That's probably good for 1 month.
More. You want to ask her or you
Yeah, let's go.
It's enough.
USB is cooking in the phone.
I
Let's
can
go.
get him to talk to you. No, no. What if we don't want just the two of us? Let's say, you know, when we join other people.
No.
But there's nothing like that.
It's the package deal.
Oh, it has to be just for the couple.
Uh,
And how much again? 17?
16,000 for 1 hour cruise, 1 hour back.
including food.
Then you can do also a group of 15 for 16,000 without food.
So we need to bring that 15 people.
Sorry?
We need to bring that 15
Yeah,
people.
if you have group, then
No,
you
but
can
let's say if we don't have a group, do you do those kind of things here?
Yeah, we can also.
So, so let's say you have
Yan si Tabila.
you have 13 people already, and then two additional us. Then how much we have to pay?
I think that one could be charged you about like 20k for additional. Total is 20k or 21k for
No.
4 person
For how many people? Four.
for food.
Oh, yung 16,000 good for two people only.
But I don't see that. No, 16,000 for a couple, for two people, 1 hour dock, 1 hour cruising,
Okay.
including food. So that's 16,000 for two people only.
Mm.
Very expensive.
See, I told you before it was 7,500.
Yeah, but that one which was not for two people, remember?
For each.
No, I know. But this thing is only like two. I'm looking for something that already has people on the ship or on the board,
Like you
and
just
we are part of it also,
part
like
of
pay
it.
whatever, 4,000, 5,000
Ah.
each. I don't want to be just two of us.
I
Something
know.
happens, they say, I don't want to be. I need witness. I need witness. What happened? But they don't have the ship or the boat over here anyway, right? Right now. Probably gone.
Not this one? No.
No.
So that's
No,
Probably-
it was like one of
no,
those on the other side.
maybe for 16,000 good for two, but maybe we are, I know, like, we gonna be with
They
somebody.
just fish it out, fish it and, people, so many people here just working,
Right.
just fish it out.
You know, when it's
What are they waiting
typhoon,
for?
that's why it's stuck here.
Yeah, but
They were cleaning.
I know that's what I'm saying. They're just standing over there. They should just fish it out, clean it. All right, so we go over there or what? But no, this is not. I'm talking about it was a big ship, right? It had a deck and everything. It was like one on the other side.
Hmm. 16,000 for two. Wow.
16,000 for two.
And it looks
Yeah.
like they're probably waiting for that or what?
Yeah.
That ship is not here, right? The one that takes you out. Is it here now? It's already gone.
Oh.
It's coming back.
So yung 16
He
po,
doesn't know much.
may mga kasama naman yon.
Opo, yung,
Yung couple lang.
ano po, couple po, ma'am.
Hindi, pag example gusto ayaw namin na maging dalawa lang, parang Boeing.
15
He
packs.
can answer you. He knows.
Ah, yun yung oo.
The ship is not here, right? He's already cruising.
So by package pala kayo, by package. Ah, okay. Wala kayong ano.
Because the last time
Ay, ito na yun.
Couple man din. That one is
with the deck and everything,
Mm.
but you still have that? No.
It's in Bataan.
But it's coming back.
I think it's coming back early next year.
Oh, really? Okay. So anybody who wants it is going to be this. Got
Yes.
it. Okay.
Mm, I
Is this
see.
one?